Alright guys, welcome. I'm Clyde Denver, first time casting adventures, and haven't been to this spot in a minute. I'm gonna let y'all see this place. Then I got a special treat for you guys. It's a great place. Get on some hogs out here. And now I'm gonna turn you on to a person I haven't hung out with in a minute. I'm gonna let him introduce his own self.
What's up everybody? HK2 Productions. Definitely ready to get out here. It's been a while, been working hard. So now I finally got some free time. And of course, you know, I had to come and hang out with one of my best guys that I've known for a very long time.
I appreciate it.
So I'm glad to be out here. Y'all make sure y'all like and comment to his stuff because he has moved up and is working hard. So y'all show him some love.
And y'all definitely make sure y'all give some love to HK2 Productions, aka Bobby Holloway.
Yes, sir.
For now, we're gonna see if we're gonna get it going, see what happened. It looks real saucy out here today. We see a lot of activity. So with no further ado, let's keep it going.
And we got more live action coming to you.
And you better know it.
Got him. He pulling too. Ooh. This ain't no bass.
What is it? What is it?
I don't know, but it ain't no bass. The way he pulling.
It's got to be a catfish one. I don't know, man. That thing.
That's a catfish.
Huh?
It got to be a catfish.
I don't know, man.
Look at the way he pulling. That's a catfish or a gar. I mean a bowfin. Yep, that's a bowfin.
Bobby done got on something, you guys. That might be a big bass. Man.
Nah, that's a bowfin, brother.
It is.
Yeah, I know that feeling. Yeah. Yep, that's a bowfin. See how he's spinning?
Big one too, ain't it?
Or maybe it's a catfish.
It's a catfish.
I've been catfished.
It's a big one too. I got my scale and everything in there.
I have been catfished.
Hit that worm, man. Look at him. You got to show that off, man.
Boy, you almost had me happy, man. 7 pounds. Woo.
Make sure you show them off to the camera. To the other GoPro over there. Yep, so they'll see it.
Stop. Look at that bad bugger right now. Yes, sir. Woo, yes, sir. He back. Look at this bad bugger right here. 7 pounds, 4 ounces. Whew. I thought it was a bass at first. I was like, no, the way he pulling, either a catfish or gar or bowfin. Yes,
look,
sir.
Look, you guys, I thought we were supposed to be bass fishing, but hey, it's a catch.
Nice big chunk right here, bro. This is a big one. I like it. I like this. That's gonna have to be my thumbnail.
There you go.
See you later.
Me too, Bobby, look.
Yeah.
Got him. Got him this time. Woo. Come on in here.
He started biting, I felt the nibble, so I said, Oh, he got off.
Come on in here.
Yes, sir. What you got? You got catfish in you.
No.
Oh, no, you got a bass.
Yeah. Your buddy in here.
Yeah, he whatever bit mine, he didn't spit it out.
Fat, chunky rascal.
Yeah, that's a chunky one right there, brother. Why with the bass?
All right, you guys.
Why with the bass?
Finally got on the first one. This is what I've been waiting for, you guys, all morning. Caught him on the red, caught him on the black young with the blue flakes in it. He destroyed this worm, you guys. Hey, hold on 1 second. Yeah. All right, you guys, let's get him back in the water. Don't want to keep him out too long.
Want to take the camera?
No.
So you can.
Well, you can. Come on if you want to. Yeah. Let's get him back.
It's heavy duty. The wind ain't gonna blow this over.
No, man, not too easy. This got a hook on the bottom. You can hook the stuff to it. Let's get him back in the water, you guys. Awesome.
There you go, brother.
Man, that was perfect.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.